Hey guys, Adam here from ADM Motors and Nuts About 4 Drive. Welcome to this episode. On this episode I want to talk to you quickly about the basics of a relay. Everybody will know what a relay is, but do we really know what it does? Relays are typically a little device like this, and we use them in wiring harnesses and things, and they can run a lot of accessories, or help run a lot of accessories. Main reason why we use a relay is to protect the switches that we use. The switches that we generally use in our systems probably rated to the maximum of about 20 amps. In the high-powered light bars and things like that we're using now, among other accessories, we're potentially even running up to 50 amps through the system. So the relay will actually, we can use a switch to trigger a relay, therefore no load running through the relay and protecting the switch, and protecting the switch from there. The other reason why we would use a relay as well is to actually shorten the distance that we have between the actual wiring, power wiring in the vehicle. So the longer the wire that we use, the more resistance we actually have running through the wire, and we get a bit of voltage drop. So by using a relay, we can actually run a shorter power wire, and that will actually help with all the accessories and that as well. What does a relay actually do though when you actually use a relay, or when you wire a relay up? What's it doing inside? Well, a relay has a series of numbers on it. Typically it's 87, 85, 86 and 30. Okay? When we wire up, when we turn our switch on, what actually happens is it sends power through our switch to pin number 86. 86 then actually energizes basically a magnet, an electromagnet inside, and it will earth through pin 85. 85 is typically run to earth. When that electromagnet actually energizes, it closes the contact points inside our relay, and then we allow the flow of power from our battery, obviously through a fuse, through the contact points and then across the light bar from there. So in effect, a relay is actually just a type of switching mechanism which allows a flow of power through the system. They come in all different sizes, so of course if you're running something that's very high powered, you need to find a relay that will actually cope with the amperage that you're using. In most cases, the light bars and that we're getting now will come with a wiring harness. It's pre-wired with a relay in there, and everything will actually be the right amperage, right voltage, whatever we need from there. So wiring is obviously something you need to consider too, and the size of the fuse that you use. But with the wires, make sure that you're using the right amperage rating through the whole harness if you're making one up. Other than that, it's generally pretty straightforward. I hope that's been helpful for you. When you get a chance, check out our Facebook site. From there also our website at nutsabout4drive.com.au. Stay on all fours and go nuts.